This motorhome right behind me costs $1,850,000, and check this out. It has a center garage that holds a Porsche. It's built by Walkner. It's called Performance S, and let's take a quick look. First, we have the exterior here, and I want to talk about this garage design. In fact, Max, can we show to everyone how this garage opens up?
Yes, sure.
And there you go, we have the Porsche 911 outside of the motorhome right now. In fact, let's go talk to Max. Max, can you put any other car besides the 911 Turbo?
Yes, of course. We can put a Mini Cooper inside or Bugatti Chiron, whatever you want.
Amazing, you guys heard it. Now, let's continue our tour. We have the engine located here, 460 horsepower, 3.5-ton tow hook, and this is another great feature. They call this a slide out, meaning 10 meters wide, 50 centimeters deep section of this motorhome extends out to the exterior, thus creates an amazing 5 square meters of additional interior space. In fact, let's go check that out. You got starting here, come up with me. Now this $1.85 million motorhome, this is the interior and it's amazing. You have every single technology you can think of. You have your comfortable seating area here, mood lighting everywhere. On the other side with a push of a button, you have a TV here that comes up. All these windows are bringing a ton of natural light, and we have a beautiful glass shelf here with LED lighting where you have your wine glasses, plates, all that good stuff. Right next to that, we have the kitchen. This kitchen truly has everything you need. Sink on this side, induction cooktop, and check this out. We have a dishwasher drawer right next to your induction cooktop. I mean, this is incredible. Now, right behind me, we have the Siemens oven and your fridge. Incredible. Now, I even want to show some of the cabinetry here. Look how well thought out everything is. You maximize every bit of space that you have. Now, going through here, this is where we have the bathroom, water closet, and shower. First, I want to start with this one. This is your water closet. You have a heated towel rack, skylight above that fans out all the moisture and the smell. This toilet has every single feature that you can think of. Right next to that, you have your walk-in shower. Now, I'm about 182 centimeters tall. Check this out. I can comfortably be here. Rain head, starlight ceiling, chrome fixtures, everything you need in the shower. Right across from that, we have the vanity. Ton of cabinetry here, LED lighting, Corian countertops. Really spacious, really nice. Now, last part of this amazing luxury motorhome. This door closes off your bedroom. Come on inside. Double bed here. 2 windows bring in natural light. Massive skylight right in the center with a starlight detail. Again, cozying up the space. I love the wood paneling that they have throughout. Mood lighting. Another window here for extra ventilation and pop-up TV. Push of a button, you can raise it. Lastly, more wardrobe space. I mean, this motorhome is amazing, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give us a like, and we'll see you guys next week.